Hey there, science fans! Welcome to another exciting episode where we dive into the fascinating world of science and everyday phenomena. Ever felt a sneeze coming on and wished you could stop it? Maybe you're in a quiet library or perhaps in the middle of an important meeting. You're not alone. Sneezing is your body's way of blasting out irritants like dust or pollen. It's a natural defense mechanism designed to keep your respiratory system clear, but sometimes you just don't want to sneeze. Maybe you're trying to avoid drawing attention to yourself, or you simply don't have a tissue handy. Here's a neat trick. Try pressing your tongue to the roof of your mouth. Push hard up there. This simple action can help you control that sneeze. This can actually short-circuit the sneeze reflex. Pretty cool, right? It's like having a superpower to control your body's natural reactions. When you press your tongue to the roof of your mouth, it sends signals to your brain that can interrupt the sneeze reflex. This is because the roof of your mouth is connected to the nerves that trigger sneezing. So next time you're in a situation where a sneeze is the last thing you need, remember this trick. It might just save you from an awkward moment. Remember, sneezing is important, but now you have a secret weapon for those times you need to keep it under wraps. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science. Thanks for tuning in, science fans. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tips and tricks. Until next time, stay curious and keep experimenting. Can you imagine sneezing for days, weeks, or even years? It sounds unbelievable, but it happened. Donna Griffiths from England holds the record for the longest sneezing fit. Get this, she sneezed non-stop for 978 days. That's over 2.5 years of continuous sneezing. Scientists believe her incredible sneezing marathon was triggered by a cold or allergy. It just goes to show, our bodies are capable of some pretty wild things. Did you know you actually see with your brain, not your eyes? It's true. While it might seem like your eyes are doing all the work, they are actually just the first step in a fascinating process. Your eyes are like cameras, capturing light and sending it on a journey to your brain. Your eyes capture light and send signals to the back of your head, to a special spot in your brain called the visual cortex. This is where the magic really happens. The visual cortex is a highly specialized area that decodes these signals and transforms them into the vivid images we perceive. This part of your brain is like a high-tech processing center, turning those light signals into the images you see. Imagine it as a supercomputer that processes millions of bits of information every second. It interprets colors, shapes, depth, and motion, creating a seamless visual experience. The visual cortex is packed with neurons that work together to make sense of the visual data. These neurons communicate through electrical impulses, forming a complex network that allows us to understand and interact with the world around us. And here's a bonus fact. The left side of your brain processes information from the right eye, and the right side of your brain processes information from the left eye. This cross-wiring is crucial for depth perception and a unified field of vision. The brain doesn't just stop at processing visual information, it also interprets it. This means it takes into account past experiences, context, and even emotions to give meaning to what we see. For instance, recognizing a friend's face in a crowd involves not just visual processing, but also memory and emotional centers of the brain. Our brains are wired in such amazing ways. The intricate connections and the seamless integration of different brain regions make our visual experience incredibly rich and detailed. So next time you marvel at a beautiful sunset or navigate through a busy street, remember that it's your brain doing the heavy lifting, turning light into sight. Ever been stuck in a loud, crowded place and wished you could just turn down the volume? Well, your body has a built-in trick for that. It's called the tragus, and it's that little flap of cartilage just above your ear canal. Gently pressing on your tragus can help muffle background noise, making it easier to focus on the sounds you want to hear. It's like having a personal volume control for your ears. Section 5. Your body's got your back. Our bodies are incredible machines, always working to keep us healthy and safe. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to sleep, and even while we are sleeping, our bodies are constantly on the job. They are like our personal guardians, tirelessly ensuring that everything runs smoothly. When we feel anxious or stressed, our bodies go into fight or flight mode. This is an ancient survival mechanism that has been hardwired into us since the days when our ancestors had to face wild animals and other dangers. It's our body's way of preparing us to either confront the threat or run away to safety. our heart rate and breathing speed up, and our muscles tense up, ready to react to danger. This response is incredibly efficient, allowing us to react quickly and effectively. However, in modern times, the threats we face are often not physical but psychological, like work stress or social anxiety. But here's the cool part. Our bodies also have built-in mechanisms to help us calm down. These mechanisms are just as important as the fight or flight response because they help us return to a state of balance and relaxation after the perceived danger has passed. Taking slow, deep breaths can actually slow down our heart rate and signal to our brains that we're safe. This simple act of controlled breathing can activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for rest and digestion. And guess what? There are other fascinating ways our bodies protect us. Hiccups and snoring are other ways our bodies try to protect us. While they might seem annoying or inconvenient, they serve specific purposes that are beneficial to our health. Hiccups are involuntary spasms of our diaphragm, the muscle that helps us breathe, and they usually go away on their own. These spasms can be triggered by various factors, such as eating too quickly, drinking carbonated beverages, or experiencing sudden excitement or stress. Snoring, while annoying, is just the sound of air vibrating in our throat while we sleep. Pretty neat, huh? Snoring occurs when the flow of air through the mouth and nose is partially obstructed. This can happen due to various reasons, such as the position of the tongue, the relaxation of throat muscles, or nasal congestion. Our bodies are also equipped with an amazing immune system that fights off germs and infections. This complex network of cells, tissues, and organs works around the clock to identify and neutralize harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. It's like having an internal army ready to defend us at all times. And let's not forget about our skin, the largest organ in our body. It acts as a barrier, protecting us from external threats like UV radiation, harmful chemicals, and physical injuries. When we get a cut or scrape, our skin has the remarkable ability to heal itself, thanks to the process of cell regeneration. Our digestive system is another marvel of the human body. It breaks down the food we eat into nutrients that our bodies can use for energy, growth, and repair. This intricate system involves multiple organs working together in harmony, from the mouth and esophagus to the stomach, intestines, and beyond. The brain, our body's command center, is constantly processing information and sending signals to different parts of the body. It's responsible for our thoughts, emotions, movements, and so much more. The brain's ability to adapt and change, known as neuroplasticity, allows us to learn new skills and recover from injuries. Our heart, a powerful muscle, pumps blood throughout our body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to our cells and removing waste products. This continuous circulation is vital for our survival, and the heart's rhythmic beating is a testament to its strength and endurance. Our lungs play a crucial role in respiration, allowing us to take in oxygen and expel carbon dioxide. This exchange of gases is essential for our body's energy production and overall function. The lungs' ability to expand and contract with each breath is a remarkable feat of engineering. Our bodies also have mechanisms to regulate temperature, ensuring that we stay within a safe range. When we're too hot, we sweat to cool down, and when we're too cold, we shiver to generate heat. These automatic responses help maintain our body's internal balance or homeostasis. Every day, our bodies are repairing and regenerating cells, keeping us in optimal health. This constant renewal process is essential for growth, healing, and maintaining the function of our organs and tissues. It's a reminder of the incredible resilience and adaptability of the human body. So, the next time you feel stressed or anxious, remember that your body has got your back. It's equipped with an array of mechanisms to protect, heal, and support you. Take a moment to appreciate the amazing machine that is your body and all the hard work it does to keep you safe and healthy. Section 6. Rosemary to remember. Want a superpowered memory? Try sniffing some rosemary. Studies have shown that the scent of rosemary can actually boost our memory recall and alertness. It's true. Scientists believe certain compounds in rosemary can stimulate our brains and improve cognitive function. So next time you need a memory boost, try adding some rosemary to your cooking or simply enjoying its refreshing aroma. Section 7. Amazing body tricks. Hold on to your hats, science fans, because our bodies can do some truly mind-blowing things. Did you know that the cartilage in our noses and ears never stops growing? It's true. And unlike most other tissues, cartilage can regenerate itself if damaged. How cool is that? Here's another fun one. You can actually learn to flare your nostrils on command. It just takes a bit of practice. And while it might not be the most useful skill, it's a fun way to impress your friends. Section 8. Sleeping like a furnace. Ever wonder why you get so cozy under the covers at night? Well, get this. Our bodies actually generate more heat while we sleep than when we're awake. It's true. Our metabolism, which is like our internal engine, keeps humming along even while we're catching those Z's. And one of the byproducts of all that metabolic activity is heat. So next time you're feeling chilly, just remember, you're like a little furnace, especially when you're fast asleep. Section 9. You're a walking wonder. Isn't it amazing to think about all the incredible things our bodies do every single day without us even realizing it? From regulating our temperature to fighting off germs, our bodies are constantly working to keep us alive and thriving. We're capable of incredible feats of strength, agility, and resilience. We can experience a vast range of emotions, from joy and love to sadness and anger. And we have the capacity to learn, grow, and change throughout our lives. Section 10. Explore your amazing body. So there you have it, science fans. A whirlwind tour of some of the most mind-blowing facts about our amazing human bodies. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to discover and explore. I encourage you to keep asking questions, to never stop learning, and to always be amazed by the wonders of your own incredible body. Stay curious.